back to my channel. And in this channel we have been learning what is digital marketing, what is YouTube marketing, SEO, everything. Last class we have discussed Google My Business. Today's class is what is Quora and how to log into Quora is the topic. We will be learning more about Quora today. And Quora is one such important topic because where the Quora is a community-based questions and answer website and app. Users post questions on any topics and other users respond. Users can sign up and using Facebook, Twitter, and Google or email account. As a part of registration process, they are asked to select 5 areas of interest to follow. So once if you wanted to log into Quora, you can just go to Quora login. You will end up in this format. You can either log in through your recent or existing Gmail account or Facebook account, where you would have given all your information related to your phone number, date of birth, and where do you work, everything. So by default the Quora will accept all the informations. So I already logged in. I have an account with Quora, so this is my Quora account. So when you're logging in with Quora account, Quora will ask you to at least follow 5 more spaces and upload 3 more good pieces of content and ask for questions and 3 credentials about where you live, work or study, and answer questions, add questions. These are the things that Quora minimum expect. And Quora is a community based questions and answers website app. You can register and post it, and you can post review or blog and about topic. Quora also has a social media features. Users can upload questions or follow people, comment and leave private messages for others. So those are the very very important things. Quora, where you can share the knowledge, acquire the knowledge, and it is more like a Facebook itself only. So if you can click on here, you will see home page. This is the page where you can ask the question, you can answer the question, or you can upload or download your questions that if you are able to read here, and you can analyze what is this question about, and that you can do by uploading and downloading, or Twitter we'll just say retweet, and Facebook we say share, and here also it is share only. So this part is like you will get a notification of all the questions that people asked you for, so you can start answering. For if you are good enough to answer these questions, you can just go ahead and select one by one, and you can answer for all the questions that you are able to do it. This is a space part, and we can create a spaces here, as we have it in a LinkedIn or Facebook. We can create a group, so it is almost, so we'll take on a different classes altogether for the space creating. This is a notifications about whatever the question comes to your page. Yeah, you can edit your photo or the informations that you have given, anything that you can edit here. You just go there, just edit here. It will help you to edit anything that I am a UPSC aspirant, and I am also immigration consultant and digital marketing consultant, so I let it be the same. I will not change it. And here the informations regarding all that my professions, they are given here: immigration consultant and affiliate marketing since 2011 onwards to till date, and my educational qualification MBA and masters in administrations. Those are the informations. Lives in Bangalore and Karnataka, and 4,20,000 people are viewing this month of my profile. I'm active, and I do have one space account also, joined in the year of 2016 is all about the space Quora profile informations. You can add questions by clicking here, and so far I have answered 51 questions, and 2 posts and 35 followers are there for my thing. So, and this is my space, so meaning I have a group in Quora too. So here I'm just uploading all my content related to digital marketing. So I'll be showing in upcoming classes how to post your own if you are having a business account. This is called business account or space, as we follow it in a Facebook or LinkedIn account. So it is also is one such easy way that you can create a space and you can add content and add photos, add links, everything can be done on space. So upcoming classes I'll be discussing more on that regard. Today's class, that's all about the Quora. It was a just brief understanding what is Quora is all about. And if you wanted to go ahead and discover spaces, here you will be having a spaces related to your profile. You can go ahead and follow. If you are wanted to follow any YouTube channels or related to your dream UPSC, or if you wanted to follow any affiliate marketing, SBI exams, you just click on any profile that you wanted to follow, then you just say I'm following them. That's so super easy is that. These are the pages that I already followed and subscriptions I have done. So you can also choose any of the spaces that you wanted and just go ahead and follow it. That's all for the day, friends. Do like my videos and subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.